Hey bosses, that's Omar White and I'm gonna show you the 4 steps to start a blog that makes money. But before we get started, if you've got a business question that needs to be answered, feel free to email me directly at ask@omarwhite.com. I'll leave a link to the email in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, what you see on the screen right now is actually the lifestyle business model. That's exactly how I built my businesses in different niches. I remember my first try to build a business online was a complete mess. I didn't know what I was doing. I had no plan, no strategy, nothing. This model is based on 5 strategic steps your business needs to take in a consistent basis. To learn more about the business model, you can go to the link that's on the screen right now, and I'll leave the link below the video as well. In this video, we're going to cover the first 4 steps of the lifestyle business model, as they are the essential ones to get you from starting to profit. The first step to start a blog that makes money is to plan it out. I remember a quote from Brian Tracy that says, "Every minute you spend in planning saves 10 minutes in execution." This gives you 1000% return on energy, which is totally amazing. The easiest way to do that is to ask yourself discovery questions like, why do you want to start a blog in the first place? Finding your why is the best way to gain clarity about the reason behind what you want to do, especially if it's a long-term decision like starting a blog that's gonna evolve to a full-time business. The second discovery question to ask yourself would be, who is your ideal reader? This is extremely important because it will determine both your content and promotional strategies. Do your best to be as specific as possible here. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to plan your content and promotions down the road. Once you determined your why and got specific about your ideal reader, it's time to brainstorm content ideas. Think about your content as the solution to your readers' issues, problems, and pain points. Remember that the more you study your readers, the easier it will be for you to define their issues and solve it with your content. Now that you planned your blog, step 2 is to build it. To do that, you'll need to focus on 2 sides of your blog, the technical side and the content side. Let's start with the technical one, and don't worry, it's easier than you think. The first element is your domain. See the name that you type into your browser to go to any website? That's called the domain name. Next element is the hosting. It's the space that contains all your blog files on the web. Next is the content management system, and this is how you're gonna manage your blog's content. In this case, it's WordPress. It's super easy to use and freely included with your hosting. The fourth element is your theme. It gives your blog its unique look and feel. There are lots of free themes out there, but I highly recommend you get a paid one to stand out in your market. The last element is the email marketing service. It will enable you to build a community of raving fans and keep in touch with them on a regular basis. Once you have those 5 tools in your hand, you're done with the technical side of your blog. I have a step-by-step tutorial on my blog that will walk you through the process of building your blog step by step. You'll find the link in the description box below the video. Now that you're done with the technical side of blogging, it's time to start creating content for your blog. Create content that solves your readers' problems and inspires them to take action. It's your most important task to create quality content for your blog at this point. You might be asking yourself about how many pieces of content you need before you go live with your blog. I recommend having at least 3 published pieces of content and 7 drafts ready to be published. The third step to start a blog that makes money is to promote your blog. At this point, what you need to do is to drive traffic and build a community out of it. Remember that before you do that, you need to have quality content that solves problems for your readers and inspires them to take action. The last step in this process is to monetize your blog. At this point, you have an established blog with quality content and a community that you communicate with on a regular basis. Think about ways to provide more values for your audience, either by creating your own product or by recommending a trusted resource that will help them get a desired result. There you have it, bosses. Those were the 4 steps to start a blog that makes money. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a video in the future. One last gift I have for you is the Lifestyle Business Checklist. I'll share with you the 7 steps you need to plan your business like a boss. Get your copy by clicking the first link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.